Okay, so I have figured out a way to demonstrate a very easy way for people to understand the Monty Hall thing and the Monty Hall problem, right? And I'm not going to explain it. You'll kind of see it as you go. Here's the three doors, right? It's so this is the prize you would want. It's called Grand Crescendo in this point, and it's a Magic the Gathering card, and then these are much less valuable cards, right? And it's interesting I played this with people that had never played the game, and it was a bit difficult for me to somehow convince them that this card was more valuable than these. They were skeptical of that, but anyway, in this game, yes, this is the one you want, right? And then I'm just using dice to say 1, 2, and 3, and I roll this dice here, and even though it's a four-sided dice, if it lands on 4, I just roll again. So that makes it essentially a 3-sided dice, right? And what I do is I mix these up. And in this version, I don't even see which is which, okay? That's the first place that this differs from the game. But like I say, I think this will definitely help. And then you see here I've been playing and following the strategy of simply picking the other door, and this is my winnings, and I started with 10 pennies each, and I've almost completely lost. So anyway, so what you do, you just roll a 2, okay? Now, so that's this. Now the question is, I reframe the question. I say, this is your odds. This is your choice. This is your odds of winning, and this is the house's odds of winning, these two. I'm not going to turn one of them over. These two are the house's odds of winning, and that's your odds of winning. Would you like to trade places with the house? That's it. Would you like to trade your 1/3 chance of winning with the house's 2/3 chance of winning? And the answer should be yes. So you say yes, and then, see, so you won again. You won again. Why? Well, it appears very simple here, right? And the problem, it's just simply odds. The odds don't change. And the problem with these papers is they claim that the odds do change, and they don't. And the reason why they claim the odds do change was because what I just showed would only take one page. You wouldn't be able to you wouldn't be able to have math and whatnot in it, right? There would be no need to write a computer program and do all of this stuff. And so in a sense, there are two, there's, see, again, what is that? And how do you even make that? There's two issues here, right? One, there's the trick that kind of confounds you with the different doors, and then when people describe it, they describe it in a sort of convoluted way, where if you just do something simple, that's it. That's all there is to it. Okay?